morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. A very special good morning. Enko Mao say ene anope wajibre na wodi wa fidie no ato akana yo television na abodie enenimudie ambassador the entertainment commander me de bre wo na abre ni abre nyina da me ne wo edi ahia na waye wadwene say program yi say na da bia me kan no me ne wo na agenti no won so waye wadwene say wo ne mia na behwe abomu nyame o hye papa say wo ye ne say abre ani abre nyina da e de ema me program me de bre wo kwada ene jawada abra abono wotwe ekopem say no ndu ebebo no ndu ebo a na jama sorry so na nea eto aso na ye de abre o ene ye bedi nkomo ene nkomo twetwen ewo ho ye bedi nkomo papa Satan Lucifer oye hwan ene Lucifer Satan eye hwan ye kire mu a na kire se kamia ye se planet bi a ye nyankopon abobo eno edin ena ama ene yatumi enya edin Satan ana Lucifer nanka menyanti Lucifer da na emom no ehwehwemu ye sciences omoma yahunu se edin Lucifer krampo no afeiri ese na eye planet nokura bi wom nokura bi nim ne nyinara age se ye bomade ana ye to ye bo ase na ye hwe ambassador me programmer matu ne den abode ene nimude ene me ne KOMFA bedi nkomo scientists ba ko pe ya edu baby a planeti ehun zemo a be frɛ no na me ne no edi ehun nkomo wodofo ene ebeye de papa ebeye hye na eno krampo no ekamia ye se eye nya mesem mu na wobobo Satan kro eye sa planet no ye nya nkopon no na ebo ye se eho na ye bonsam mugemu ana hell ewo ho se Lucifer ewo ho a na hell be wo ho Lucifer ni ho de a ye kofa hell we ani nsem a scientist ekekeka ya manti ase eno nti metwen KOMFA se KOMFA bre na yentumi eni enkomo na ye hwe se asemu a ekosui asemu a mo scientists mo kai no kure ebi wo mu ana ewasi esua de eno nti ebesua de ora for me da se na se ye nyankopon edi ene ache ye nti na me se ye hia se ya na ye mfa nya nwomoto na ye nto no se hajo nyamie wa ye ni hajo nyamie wona sinio hajo nyamie wo tron ne mira na media ye anyom tuyi hajo nyamie wa ye ni ajo nyamie wonkamfonio hajo nyamie wonjon ne mira na media ye anyom tuyi anonti sanie bajiwa ye anonti sanne bajiwa kamfu jointwa hinie frise wa ye won tron na media ye anyom tuyi anonti sane bajiwa ye anonti sanie ajo kamfu minyamia frise wa sida won tron na media ya anyum tuyi ye nyankopon aye bia maje ye nyankopon abre nyinara ehu hia papa se ye de aseda kese aseda piesie aseda eni kabia ebema no na dumara kwa ena ye tiase ono no bo osoro na wo bo asase enkwa ya home ye nyankopon de chaye kwa odofo yankambo na yanka se wo bo ade kwa me ato apem totoro nsu amosu wia ejabo nyankopon we aseda enka wo baji wasido beda se wo ya ne sa ene ano pay odofo ene enkomo ayedie ewo abode ene nimudie so ene se Lucifer owo ho ana Satan owo ho na hell obunsam gem ewo ho ana abre nyina enkomo aya na yetadie pa ene se does heaven exist? Aya na ye di heaven ho nkomo more. And then ye say ye bow hell aya brunsam gem e wo ho ana. E di Lucifer o wo ho ana. Ya ono wo twe ne pa bia so. Emre bia eda ya nimu ana. De nyinara ende ye besua eho ade emre de kro anenti ne mensem de bebre ma menka nkere we se edu papa pa de enro pa de eno ani akana ayo heba clinic for aso ye eho na wo kwa wonsa ebetumi aka akana ayo cobitus woma bites alikuku ne nyinara enura ebebo papa na cobitus no de din ne honam se wonya te ya unim se koko aduro papa eno no sa so na woma emema aduro ya abreni nyinara eno na memma no ebobobobwa na hyehye wono mo a na je se odina na so no wo adwuma saa orofo bemodi a pe woma bites alikuku mojemu adwuma biara aduro mojem ne nyinara ene alikuku enti bomodi a pe akana yo eno ni bitoi na emo papa na ne on numbers a obetumi ni wono akasa 0247 109596 ne to sumieno 0247 109597 ne to okra 0247 109598 wey any numbers akana yo help akana for ede adwuma abreni ara wo frɛ wono mu a wo benya wono na wono mu akasa se edro keke na wasa woto a ba bia wo hye biara wono bɛkyerɛ ba bia benya doni bi atɔ e wasa oba soye so a wono bɛkyerɛ wo ba bia asoye wo kwashiman bintu yenkraman mu kwashiman bintu asoye ba ko wo ho Eastern region and so nsawom ntoaso nsawom ntoaso and I call Ashanti region so a na ze faade akana yo de ato apete Ghana and wiase ba biara amanone mo numbers no abre emrepam no me de ebema mo amowo US UK and then keka hu nyina Germany nyina ra Togo Benin ba bia mo de ebeba enche kra but me mo hwe mu TV na se a embo hu se numbers no egu ho no mo a ye display anti foreign countries no mo numbers no e display e wo so anti wo hwe mu a wo de a e wo mu no na waji ba biara wo no akana yo enro ya de betoa na won so wanya mu chefa enfa ho ba bia wo hye empo wo hye nsu asempo na wo pakana yo adurato a wo benya bi e kire se atopete ba bia na edupa ene ton ne ho edupa eton ne ho ade bomodi a na pe akana yo enro ni bi eto orofo ma men komanim na me komanim dia then you have to travel. Let's travel. Let's go work. Yentu kwan yenko ye adwuma mpesi kakakra enhye ya taso na ye famara fie. A simple number 0503 809031 eno a me personal number. The personal number ya ekura me anopa awia anwumere anajo abre biara obetumi eneme adi enkomo sa number yi na betumi aboa wo ama wotu kwanye free o man Ghana mu aka man biara so akwa ya adwuma say ya US UK Canada Germany baby biara Dubai Turkey baby ya opese wo kro no wo fra me a aja na yedi ho dwuma e dia mawo sa number ya ebetumi asanya ma wonya birth certificate sa so na passport open that kwa wo benya open nansa wo benya na wotwe mienu bosome se na open biara wonsa ebeka bobodi a fra me 0503 80 90 31 na yeni enkomo pa hey abodie ene nemudie na ambassador the ultimate commander me the ebre wo enche me ni komfa ebedi enkomo na meko break na maba na me twa me hu me ko na me ba me ni komfa betena se na ya hwese Lucifer owo ho ana se Lucifer wo ho a wan ni Lucifer hell wo ho ana se hell wo ho a hefa ene ye hell na anyanye bia wagene ho pen se yese planet bi wo ho no mo ya friend Lucifer planet no saying that here assemble pa ene wo ho. Let me go for a commercial break, and when I come back, KOMFA sits right here with me. I'll be right back. Kwaba ebiem adeba kana yo television eso your friend ambassador the ultimate commander program onu so awuhwe your friend abode ene nemude medebra wukwada ene jawada anopa biara abra abono wotwe 8 o'clock in the morning ekopem say no do 10 o'clock ebebo program wey a programmer me de ebrewo na ye nyinara ye nche ade mfamfirim adwene eni ba akofo tirim eno nti wo bi mi wo bi ye nka momu e na ye ntumi emboaboa ye ho a na ye nsua de emfiri obiara enchen orofo meti hei enye se meti ha make senti no na menimbri biara da bi da anu te da bia make se me ne wo na edi dwuma yi ne a wo de beba no ye so ye tie na ya hwe ya sone so kakra men susu mi wo ye de atoso wo hwe utie na wo so wo sone so a papa ewo mu no na wafa men susu papa ewo mu na mafa enu ti na me say 0503 80 90 31 0503 80 90 31 my personal number no eno no mame WhatsApp message and a normal message SMS mame just normal SMS making kind at the amount so and I will mame WhatsApp message making kind at the amount we question biara wo no we betumi at the abeboa program yi ene anopai na emre no ko animu no ano mebia homa no so at the atuma ma na watumi afre ama yadi nkomo me pa cho me hu se amanfo mo frame me personal line no 0503 no se sia de wo frame ya mentumi ne won kasa message pe na me hia afri wo ho me pon a wo pese yedi nkomo biara ye betumi adi wo sa number no aso na mom se sia meti hayi de yetumi enni enkomo ene enkomo ye die ene se does Lucifer exist? Does hell exist? Lucifer ayedie why any Lucifer adeba ade any hell na hell aye hwan ya KOMFA me mana kwaba na yen hyasie ye ni nkomo KOMFA scientists dear Arabia we ni mo hyiase ya na nsem sisi na me mo akwaba
me joso
bia boko de
bia boko ehia ache
papa ba na efe na emere abam ekwan mo bie se e wo se ehia na aja nea scientists mo so mo wo wo de emere ye na yensu yesua de emfamfiri ye mfanto so ne yeso na ye hwe se nea mo ka no no kuro bi wo mu ana be dire se bia boko we mama akwaba yi de na ye hya ase a eno no yesi bibia your friend Lucifer eni ho sana moka senti ena moka nisa
okay me chia ahwefo nyina ya mama makwenya amama san aba program we so sometimes ne yakasa ya na religious sects no me say other religious sects they see us in different way
more scientists
yes but no crana ya then okay, remember one scenario. Say, you see, we have a lot of religious sects around, like your Shintoism, Buddhism, Krishna, Christianity, Islam. All of them know yes, but obon some kind of eba akope. Like when she done study here. Like
fight against one enemy.
Oh yes. Do you ever say on Nyankopon ya Allah?
Okay.
We say Nyankopon ya Yeshua, we say Yehovah, we say but obon some no kwa do e ba akope.
Obon some no different ones be one.
Yes.
And no some say
like what would I make part no? Because me until say Christianity because some Satan is different from
normal Satan
yes, and now Islam so make some Satan is different. We make some of them different. So there's a question somewhere.
Enti mo question na anase mo nsema mo kan e die nyina so na mo.
Near can say Lucifer ka so your bon sam no. So what kind Wikipedia or Wikipedia internet abroad phone tin tankers and so we see if we are not the same rate. Astronomy no matter as say there's one planet be a hormone friend Venus. No matter say nickname na your friend then Lucifer because of netebia senior planet netintino. No man say name no. I friend no.
Yeah, I'm for the friend sir. Lucifer.
Yes, that is the astronomy, 34 astronomy.
Yeah.
So I say, met me, I can be kakra. I'm a Yantiasia. Or I say, the Lucifer is the name of various figures in folktale that is an answer associated with the planet Venus. Originally, stemming from a son of a personified dawn, the goddess Aurora in the Roman mythology, a Roman for. So the entity name was later adopted by Christianity as the name of a devil. So I say, so the modern scholars, translate the Lucifer is the bright morning star.
Okay.
The bright morning star. I could read it. Who could read it? Isaiah. Who could read it? Isaiah. Who could read it? Isaiah. Isaiah will describe it.
Sir, most of my kind of Bible.
Sir, me the Bible no na me fancy me dey back me so me dey me case is here. Okay, Isaiah chapter 14 verse 12 now say, how will you have fallen from heaven, O star of the morning, son of the dawn? You have been cut down to earth. You have weakened the nations. One is casting in free heaven by any Satan.
Yeah, Satan.
And you know, say, how have you fallen from heaven, O star of the morning? The star of the morning is talking about the planet Venus, according to the Roman mythology. You know.
Okay, that is star of the morning.
Yes, and when Venus na a bright because of sending it into no that hellish form na yellow into no. Also, no when say a bright will be it now Roman for no friend the star of the morning.
Star of the morning, okay.
Because what we do near then, who's up that particular
star.
Yes, planet.
Some morning.
Yes. Na me can what I say. Like once said auntie, na me planet is the only planet we Venus no na planet. What we do near then. Say anopa a bright
a planet.
Yes, that is the Venus. That is the twin. My fan say twin sister or twin brother of Earth planet.
And then a shibum.
They are in the shibum. A ben planet in a part. That is the planet who is closest to our planet Earth. And near a planet in the size in I paint almost say a twin planet.
Okay. Yes, the size of Earth.
Yes, it's the same
as Venus.
Yes.
The Lucifer. Lucifer.
Because you see, the Lucifer is the nickname of that planet, you know. Because a bright Earth. Out to do a new some friends say is the bright morning star.
Okay.
So I say any nickname in the later na Christianity no call adopted that name into the say it's Obunsamudi.
Enti one Obunsam.
Obunsam. Me Obunsam ni ho.
Obunsam ni ho.
Obunsam ni ho.
Ah, Satan.
Mamenka. Obunsam ni ho.
KOMFA, mo ya sure.
Mamenka bibi nchira.
Catch them.
O kan Genesis a. As a Bible no so read kakra. O kan Genesis a, o ka kire say serpents. O man see me pi say Satan, but o ka say serpent bi o wo bi e ko dada Adam ni Eve.
Yeah.
Bone a o kan Bible ni nyina o bon samaye e wo Bible mu bone from Genesis to Revelation. Bone a o ye nyina na say
o dada Adam ni
cast for dada Adam ni, but o kind to deep into the Bible one dada Adam ni Eve.
No ye dey.
Onyankopon abonipa ana ode nyansa the nyansa ahye dua bi mu.
Yeah, the tree of
so atase ana o ka kire mo say mukokodi a moni beti mu behu nyansa. So atase ampampom kodi o mani te ehu nyansa no.
Eye owo no be ka kire Eve say hey kona mukodi na ade na ye kama pa.
Ya mbehu nyansa. In the Okan Bible na omuhu nyansa anaso mahu nyansa omuhu so dadeja anaso mahu yes na me kan wate ase enti no afa se nyina ewa hai ni akase adrowe ebi amenom so ate ase menom ana abeka kiram se nipa no ka kire se menom no oboa na onom a ebesa okoko wo okoko ebe den ebesa na mampa makwa nom na me okoko na asa wada me anasa wona adame se no kro no aka kire da me kan wate na me kan ase
na chere say enada na ye kan say ye nada obron some serpent enti serpent no sa aboa no ye hwan ya ayabunso na ye ne ho sa
na me ka chere say eye onsi mami ka bi chere eye deep no ma bi but say me bie so like it in some be den
no here we are talking let's
mami ka mi
say be here ne a wo hwe program yi ne a wo hwe TV akana yo say yeah wo hwe abode ne nimde would mean the ultimate commander ambassador obeti ase say KOMFA say
uni ma de fana
ansesem story
ansesem
spider story
I say example ne say kwakwa nanse o maybe say dey ntina kwakwa ananse yes na fuaye kese ana bibi e beka oh o say wi ase nyansa nyina na odi gu mu ntina mana so there were some questions ana o ma tro ne o ma bi di ansa yen dey ntina nipa wu ne ntina nipa wu ne say Yankopon bo asa awie no na Yankopon bo awie no ana obonsam be dada nipa ama nipa kodi aduaba bi ani tina ma nipa ye den ewu
that's the cost
yes like the question wo ho no mo ana ma form ya na say mi do mo de answer sa question no
enti wo kira Lucifer ni ho
obonsam ni ho ma meka bibi nkire wo hwe o kan bible no mu nyina o kan bible no mu kan bible no ma ade o be fa so bonsam ye ya o be ka se o se wa ka kire o se aduaba no nyansa aduaba udim na akodia o mudi ye na nipa hu se o mpamatale hye nipa hu se o mu yesi invention sha ase na make an what ase it means that nipa eni anka now nipa human beings will be working like how bia nwan ne no no
so no anka phobia
we bet me an naked like how
anka phobia
it is a common area one so anka nipa anyanyan sama technology nipa hu say ye pair dia ye je hu say we din no na make an
anka emma ya dwuma ye nginti
mama ka bi nchiro o kan Isaiah book in 45 verse 7 was say Nyankopon de ka say was say I form the light and create darkness. So what I say I form the light and create darkness. I bring prosperity and create disaster. I Lord do all things.
I Lord
do all things. Ono create prosperity, ono create disaster. Or say we it is akwanhia accident ni sa no mo de shop on somebody Nyankopon agye to me say ono wan create ono create disaster. Isaiah 45 verse 7.
Isaiah
45 verse 7.
Okay.
Nyankopon agye to me say
verse 7, right?
Yeah, 45. Yes, verse 7. Yes. Who can the whole Bible in hu baby obon sama akofo be yire akọ wi obi ade akọ nipa wa ye bibie hu do Bible ni baby.
Practice say money bi ada.
Hu do Bible baby ada.
It say obi yes ade na anyo obon sana wo hia.
Onipa na na oye na ade. Oti wono mu say so obi oba bi be hia twem na oye kama na akọ ne pe na no koda na nyinsen ba ma ye wa you see unconscious.
Yes sir.
Na me kan what na me kan say enyo bonsam bi na me fisa me wu mi nti so bonsam aka go bi akofo ba bi awi obi ade akun obi aye bibi
enti
na me kan what na me kan say
mo nyina so eno no
ye nyina so ne say
mo kan say bonsam ni ho
ni bonsam ni ho ni pada sani won don't want to take responsibility of your own actions it will probe their share no all my criticize with Roman for the sana man buy this confession we Roman as of for no be box ni no just to know the criminals in the society na me kan what ase it no dey what the born no what the brana be confess say the be chew it ko shada kanim now can oh me na me ko wi then they will know the criminals in the society na me kan what na me kan ase
and just a confession na wo ye en ko nyame bia ho
en ko enyo mu nsam bi na mo akoye bon wa dwen da oti na da o say
heaven wo ho
heaven if you mama can o kind the whole of Genesis the whole of Old Testament now there's no way on promise will be so be papa mo akọ heaven
the whole Old Testament
yes the name no we na Nyankopon be promise us Abraham pa e be hira wase no wo ma obedi yie e wasase so any those things na Abraham nyina ya promise wo say some ye we be mama or father of all nation ye be mama si adore ye be mama you see like that is the promises Nyankopon na o Bible me de man nipa heaven is how man ebam in the New Testament
really
like na me kan what ya say so be kokodo bunsam jam be akoye say in the New Testament
when you say New Testament ni mo so na Yesu be wu mai
Yes, I can be intro.
Devio, maybe baby. Yes, we will. I'm ready. Old times
New Testament. Yes.
And I say, no one no we and who yaw and a ma, born some Jimmy, heaven, chrono, a bear one. I make a choice say, Old Testament now, a kind of clear, so be to me, and people will be say, Jania Bonnie and a bent to me, a wound from old one, a clear, so be a bonnia, or be to me. If I say, be a my bonnie, you can't serve my sentence for me. Okay. Like I make an what I say. Old Testament.
Yes, so be a bonnia.
And I just used to be woman.
Obi with me who and people be bonnie. Like
Obi who and people be bonnie.
Yes, na make an what na make an I say. So who are by a bonnie no? You deserve to die for your own sins. Like na make an what na make an I say.
Say upon children every number kwa.
Yes.
And I put every number kwa.
Yes. It's then as a sign New Testament caso be who then.
You share the Hong Kong.
Mystery. But young fan scientific way.
Of course.
Now make an say.
Yeah.
Now make an say. Planet Venus. So I say. Obon some of make us obon some be anyhow. Nipa ya conscience. And ya yesu. And the may ya bonnie. Ain't he say. Driver be car no ko speed hwii na ya ka che se jayo na speed ya ko jayo no wan jai no ko no de car no ko hwia se wom na mu a ana se wom no enye obon sam na ye nipa ya wa na wa ye wa ade se akura koto bi nam na no ho ya wakono na wo kofa na kofefe na ya enye obon sam na ka che sa ko ya sa ade aya wa dwen na wa decision wa taking ada ko ya wa ade no eto munsam ni baby odada obi e convince obi
until Lucifer the word Lucifer the name Lucifer
yes planet planet Venus
enye munsam bi yes Lucifer
yes enye
ono wo twen na every 2000 and how many years bia bi bie no afri poase abana be twen aso abonefo no me de me nye bonesa enti me bomb pass heaven bi wo ho no ma me ko bi enti oba twen abonefo aso enye sa
na me ka bibia ni go sa
bronsam ni ho
no sa when am ka kire say bronsam ba akopɛ no we have about different religious sect that they are fighting only one Satan they take Satan and ka wo no san ka ba san kwa give you up because
when you say one god na obi asom no mom na din na different enti say ya can Satan yi say wo call Islam ho almost mo word am different
yes
but e bia na the same as God and just names
I'm not saying names
but ya can Satan one you say ya wo kan
obi a was
e kan mo sam
yes
obi kan mo sam wo de kwaku be kan na pe kwaku mo sam
ara me ka cho say obon sam bia eni ba bia eni pa ya na ya adwen ne de ye nyoma
no ye hwe the
no na be say if you say what kind Bible what is obon sam akofo be yire akowia de wakun obi why what like what be that
enti na me some question so enti and then yetumi edema Venus how does Venus planet look
because it look bright efe so at ya say efe mameka be ncho once I catch us Isaiah 14 verse 12 no say how have you fallen from heaven once obon sam na 25 oh star of the morning son of the dawn so at ya star of the morning and now Roman mythology for no say we no Venus no planet no and a ben ye earth na anopa bia a bright e wo wiem so at ya say a bright and on man din that Lucifer the bright morning star then I make Jesus Christ later cry no Bible no in the way in the New Testament Jesus Christ first about the cross had to need din so
Satan
Lucifer no
yes
Revelation 22 verse 16 or trust I Jesus have sent my angels to testify to you these things for the churches. I am the roots and the descendants of David, the bright morning star.
And to one for Lucifer was it bright morning
yeah the bright morning star no I don't know yet me first say bright morning star no and Lucifer the meaning of the Lucifer no like American what in American I say
before a bright morning star
yes I did too Revelation 22 verse 16
22
yes
verse 16
yes verse 16
okay
our first about the internet yes no yabon samana
also before
the morning star no
I can't or no title
yes
New Testament
yes Revelation 22 verse 16
planet ni na dey one part is wash
and a way no Venus no yes a hellish like so ya she like sene sote no untimi nipa untimi ntena wo no mo no like they were having mentality be say udi bone a you be sent there because that place in a hellish that make and what I say they were having that ideology like a hell it said why be the born just to serve I say why be the born na do be kosa be I horom ntino be so be suru say e na honom ya hide na min di born na enfoma anya den anko no so I say honom no call honom na their lake of fire I say omo to say yen oceans no one we say jana I say na Venus no honom no volcanoes jani no manoma pifia asini.
But the same thing Bible me say hell say
yes that is the description they are describing hell no
intimate ase pa ya na eye eja ensuo na etene no no ewo Venus
one evidence so kwa be hu
physically
yes
say obitimi two kwan ko Mars
yes
obitimi two kwan if you are earth yi so na say we call Venus obehu sa de no
ja nam we like nam honom lake of fire nam ho volcanoes ja ne na ma so ya she na me kan what I do so sia obe shekra yes
enti let's say e ho na tetefo no
what adwin be says odi bone yes
and mo chiro e wo Bible
yes
and I say
no my document o me da description of that we say we will be hell because say
to back that Venus okay no all right ebusafo ye be share video bi about
Venus
yeah na video no I wanted a clear one me nyade na me pen pa but this also at least it talks about Venus and then the Satan, the Lucifer and all that but so me share wa hanom Mercury, Venus, Earth let's just say Venus, Earth Venus and Mars infin sa ana etie na ampa se me hwe wa hanom so a me hu ni se ne size no ne kese ene Earth no aye Venus no size ene ne kese no ene Earth aye pepepe Mercury iswa pa Mercury iswa Mars no enso iswa a chain Venus ene Earth no but eson a chain Mercury Jupiter so pa Jupiter eson na ba ko wa hanom a da bia no ne din no ahwe ne ya obeka ne Satan but Satan I say
what's Satan no one say na me ka cho say tete no na mo astronomy for ne nkofo a I say omo hwe read star ene san na no Bible nyina wowom even omo Jesus Christ na mo nkofo bi no mo read star mutimi follow star bi sama so na san na man ene na san na man hu hye da hu but tete no na omo star bi mutimi say star wi apia wa de echirisi oko Satan planet Satan so a once a ring eshon
ring show
once a ring eshon it means say ono ne me fan say the king among the planets in our solar system
wow
so I say na oko na pampam crowd na e na pampam no Satan na pampam no afọ me six sided figure is it hexagonal and I say six-sided figure I want a pampum I want no evidence no musisia so at say now almost share now no ma convert down now no ma so obon some yes because that we look at six-sided figure our top war and then that planet no so that the sixth planet in our solar system
And then the sixth one.
Yes, the sixth.
Counting from Mercury.
Yes.
Venus.
Yes.
Mars, Jupiter, Nova Saturn.
Yeah, that's the sixth planet. And we be forming 6 we
I say pillars.
Yes, yes. 6 cloud now forming 6 sided figure. And I want to pump them.
Really?
Yes, we bit my search it. Top of Saturn. So I say, and a Saturn also account with 6 letters. And I make an what I say.
Yeah, 6. SATURN.
Yes. 6 letters.
Yeah.
And I know the 6th planet.
Yeah.
And they kita that 6 hexagonal we know na pum.
Okay, so 6.
Yes. And the Dina Kazan was a Satan.
Wow. KOMFA. Can be which so Saturn planet. I have 6 spelling spelling I have 6.
Yes.
1 2 S A T U R N. I have 6. And no and assign the 6 planets. Say what kind of the free Mercury. Now what about Venus? Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. I guess I know the biggest, right? Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Yes.
And then know about Saturn. And no ring. Those and so to say Jupiter no. But ring a share no and man kaka. Ring in the sun. Pa. And the 6th planet, planet. And KOMFA actually says, we call on top of it, ubehunu, some clouds be forming, 6-figure clouds as forming on top of Saturn planet, you know. And don't you know, I don't know the word 666. Eba me pacho we no yesia de anu nti se wo nimudie bi e de fa ne ayedi enkomo ayedi o Bible ebetumi ama yehunu se ne KOMFA e ka no no enye sa anete na emom no ne a ema yenya the word 666 no say ene ma ne ba ye na enye se eye planet ni nti ene ma the word 666 ya abeye brunsam title and I say brunsam word, you know. And then Bijidi say we a mistake. Eko to atade bi na ya tra atade na nimu krampo 666 ah. Ya do be kan group bi ho.
So o hwe top na say nete.
Okay. Let's just say okay. And see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Aye bibi sa let's just say 6 pepe sa and I have some bluish violet color for me. I don't know how it looks like, but that is the planet Saturn. My name say muhu. Yes, I believe say muhu. Enti wo kan ya obehunu say 6 I say angles no 6 angles 6 and baako e bom finfin eno de aye dot eno nka ho na mo no wo hwe no from 1 2 3 4 5 6 and KOMFA e ka ho asem no I don't think I know 6 and a toss of 6 our planet in wo kan from the from Mercury from Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and a toss of 6 and I feel so the spelling no 6. But I didn't know Oman Fast 666 no Ankoma the planet Venus. Now I'm the break Saturn na yes Saturn.
On calculations and on my so I say and I make an say Asians or mom read the stars ne sana man they know all these things so I say and I share we no map o kan Bible na we say we say na one microphone read the stars astronomy any sana man so I say so they is nyoma bi o ma kan e dey atu etrim so I say I had just a sunya, then you come and know, say, I don't want to once say me say a sad way, and ya de be a humbiasa. Na make an what I said. I don't want to once him say a sad way. So it's just like a mind control. Nobody who has a session, crowfoot, man, crowfoot. Sorry, I know more.
For the dates, I who eba nipadas anymore.
Oh, and I make an say a group of people there, they also have their own agenda.
Have their own agenda?
Yes. Say they will keep you enslaved, like they will control your mind. If I can control your mind, I can control your whole body. So I say, so they also sit down, plan something, give it to you for you to believe it, and then you become slave to them.
Abusia over to me at the message, you know, up Koswa at the about 0503 80 90 31 80 90 31 80 90 31 0503 0503 and any number meje WhatsApp message and our normal message na emre no kwani mu no ano maybe ahoma no so e the amount na wabem ama yetumi e di enkommo enche kra maybe e the amount yeguswara ye di enkommo na mom no before say me come anim no wow me share a year. I don't know what happened, but there is this video I was a man who a heavy and into no uber baby star be a free clouds name about the top. Okay. It looks like fire.
Okay.
And I mean, I don't know what is that and what was that?
Also, your way, your a free be asteroid. Once a real in the space, or so last make I say in the space. We have your space in him. Okay. Your rocks, your ice, you know, a form of mountain. You know, space in him. And an asteroid. And also I say mountain, and also you know space in him. Sometimes you know, it be in it me at na aba like a bass as we so. Yeah, a bass as we so. And when it is coming now, it do we now because of the friction. What's a speed, top speed neighbor. So that friction now, a benya was a women answer do as I see we so no resistance they benya from the atmosphere answer do we so no and a peja then is soon
and from man yes a push no
and a peja soon bibia a be free space a thing from space a be ura we no a jabetum a best say anything they say jatum. Because of the ionized way frictions and it's like and also why to protect the earth. Say not be being to fee a room bars as also just like that. Yes, so anything be a bit because of that friction, a jatum. Sometimes I also be do from crana.
Wow. But still, I'm much more nice. So say, Bunsam ni ho, Lucifer ni ho.
Obunsam be ni ho no me yen udi bone ya wawa dwen na di bone nyo Bunsam be ka cho se ko di bone ana Obunsam bia enku obi
Obunsam twe obi aso
obi a on twe obi aso enku obi nkotwe bibi enku obi ana nya obi bibi
Awurade mfa abonefo no nkoma Bunsam ana ntwe maso
oh da
Abusia, there is this video that I would like you to watch. It's about Venus. And so, and producers, if you're ready for me, let's watch the video, Venus video, more at the MMA, so that we'll all see how Venus, the Saturn, the Lucifer, all the names. Let's watch it.
The cosmos is full of secrets and mysteries. The deeper we gaze into the abyss, the more questions arise that modern science cannot yet answer. Today, we have the honor of meeting two very, very, very strange planets, although even calling them planets is a difficult proposition. Object CFB-DSIR 2149-0403, or more casually known as CF21. This is probably one of the most incomprehensible things in this known universe. I feel like this one's just for us, and at just the right time. At first, this peculiar cosmic body was taken for a rogue planet, meaning a planet which was somehow gravitationally ejected from its native system by other planets, or by some passing star. It was found 100 light-years from Earth, discovered in 2012 by an international team of astronomers led by one Philippe Delorme. The first studies showed that its mass is 5 to 9 times the mass of Jupiter. But the planet is hot, and it's not supposed to be. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's do this in the proper order. In general, these orphan planets are a quite frequent phenomenon in the universe. They are also sometimes placed in a group of objects known as planemos. Scientists believe that, in fact, there are quite a lot of them, and some of them are much closer to the Earth than this mysterious recluse. But they are extremely difficult to find because they often
say edino yede man achew say ene na baw KOMFA dia yehwe dia
a series of planets that is the galaxy. Yes, the galaxy. In our galaxy, we have millions of planets, millions of suns. We are millions, billions of it. Our galaxy. So I say, and we say do numera on. Do numera now in a form of say. I say my friend stars, no lightness so be brain na we friend stars ni na we any different world galaxy mu no ana hu ni be brain no ti say sun ya ye
stars na ya
anajo no we nkrofom bi solar systems we na wo so hu ni sa no nkrofom bi solar system we na wo so hu ni sa no Alpha Centauri mo na ben na fa na Alpha Centauri 2 suns we are me no be na ben and you say e be take here about 100 of years to get there.
If so ko
hono ma
wait a year yes it take about 100 years to get where it is.
Yes, 100 of like what like so scientists find ways and means that they can go there. Maybe they can find life over there. Maybe human beings or plant or anything over there.
And see, Venus, and the planet Lucifer.
Yes.
What compare a year next year?
Yeah.
And Saturn, Lucifer, Venus. Next year, no. What compare? They want to know she.
Once I don't know, carbon dioxide was so be brave. Venus no. It a trap heat power as so. And a volcano. We say when I a 12 years as in boom. Na etene. I say liquefy so no. And I do a crana. The way so tense no crana. You'll be crushed to death. What mean pon survival.
Obianko hoda.
Oh, first in the Soviet Union, Russia for the machine because but I need like a land also no and check and say machine say because pressure na was no small pressure.
Wow.
But you know I say I'm this scientist and say Venus na ben and put a ben closer to Earth. I didn't think the new moment na young cohort no na come Mars na e work you know. Because I know intimate now. Before I wait my transfer, I'm afraid be hydrogen bombs.
Hydrogen bombs.
Yes.
Due to the passage of a planet between its parent star and our telescopes, the brightness of the observed star decreased a time. At first, this peculiar cosmic body was taken for a rogue planet to initiate a thermonuclear reaction based on hydrogen, thanks to which almost all stars shine. You need something with about 80 times the mass of Jupiter. That's only about 8% of the mass of our sun, but it's enough. But only about 13 times the mass of Jupiter is enough to produce a thermonuclear reaction that can fuse lithium and deuterium. So, brown dwarfs are considered to be gas objects with a mass of between 13 and 80 Jupiters. Think bigger than a planet, smaller than a star. If the mysterious object C21 weighs less than 13 Jupiters, which it does as far as we can tell, then it will most likely turn out to be a Jupiter-like rogue planet. thrown out of its nest and drifting unobtrusively, not far from us, galactically speaking. But wait, it gets more interesting. C21 glows in the infrared, meaning it radiates heat into space. A young, newly formed planet is hot and glowing, and it will glow until it cools, and this cooling can last for millions of years. According to the first observations, after the discovery of this mysterious object, it seemed to be moving with a nearby group of stars called the AB Doradus Moving Group. Scientists came to this conclusion because of its apparent proximity to this cluster, and so surely our mysterious object must have flown from there. All these stars in the Doradus group are very young, appeared around the same time, and are in relative proximity to each other. In the past, they could have influenced each other gravitationally, changing the orbits of the planets of neighboring stars, giving rise to the appearance of our planemo. That is, if C21 came out of AB Doradus, then it is probably a young planet which hasn't cooled down yet. However, after more detailed observations, with the help of Europe's Very Large Telescope in Chile, the Canada-France-Hawaii Telescope, the Spitzer Space Telescope, and the use of the parallax effect, which calculates more accurate distances to faraway objects by taking measurements when the Earth is in different places in its orbit around the Sun, it turned out that C21 is about 130 light years.
Is their priority. They know. So, what our gym, our assassin, you will still exist on Earth. Yes. And it's not a war to give birth to what their priority, like one war. Now I say, a hano.
So when you hear was
yes.
Abusia obetumi de o messages no akoswa e de aba 0503 80 90 31 0503 80 90 31 WhatsApp and normal message na menkenkan emfa emma na yenhwe se ayampa se Lucifer anyhow nemo my planet keka na say hell anyhow just impenifo bi ana atena se aye saade no e de abeto yetirimu ana wo so wo backups obetumi e de abeka ho na program no yesua de ye nkomfa ma wansa ye se bi akomfa eti ha ne din komonti no na ne obeka bi ya mesi yo ma bobiti kori na je se magia tu nemo no wo so awo hwe no wo ma membe ye center man bigina finfin ne awde beba no mitie komfa de mitie wo de na ne a wo hwe so bibie wo mu a e wo se ofa no na wafa ehu hia papa se ye besua de komfa books ene nen semo a wo kan ye reading no wa readie osofo nsemo a wo kan ye reading no wa readie ye nyina ye readie ye sua definitely I was say to me nya poma sibre eno nti na abre ni abre nyina eho behia esane se scientist o ma dwene da wonu mutiri mu o mo de ye adwuma no so no ye nim na ye gidi se ye nyankopon obo so bo asase no ono a na ye de ma wonom eno nti no na ye nyankopon no so na se ye bible ye ikra ye no e kire se Quran enso e kire se ye nyankopon na bo ade ginara eno nti no na menim na mso misan gidi esan sem wo nyankopon mu gidie se onim bribia ne ebesi kina ye nyankopon nim eno nti na wonim se scientist ebe badaachi na se wonim dia adie nti no ma saafo yi nim die se wonim hwehwe nsem bim amonka nkire yen enfa wo no ankase nyankopon a obo soro ebo asase ne ho nokura bi ewo baabi ensem a scientist eka se nokura bi wo baabi a obetumi amaye hu se wo feel say wono musu twantro ebom futogu ye ne a obetumi abam na wa kire de nti a wo so wo kan sa yensua de KOMFA wo asem bika kasa miti o
na me kan say se na me di kan kan say ewi ase no we nipa na wu a that's it it say udi bone a udi obi bone a bone no insunsan so no e ba o maso and no descendants it's New Old Testament na wo mo and they were very careful because we never back betima kodi bone na punishment na ba family ni musa generation ni musa na American what ase
Ethiopia
anya say wu akoba bia kwa punishment o ba bi o
onkoje punishment ba bia
yes punishment no nya wa asaso ne mane fasa punishment ni enti abusuan bet ma kodi bone nipa ba kodi bone na punishment ni run it through the family. Sa tina tete no
omo very careful o me do bone na wakwa abusuan ni bibi na me kan wate ase by nay obia timi sore na odi bone because odim say after odi bone na owu na ba konya ne punishment bu a na wakonya punishment bi no aye we ti pedi ni abone kura na onwene ho because
obenya asotwen no abra
wawu
abusia mami announce me phone lines. Let me announce my phone lines. Wait to me a friend na wabem na yet me di commercial say me hunu say amanfo twen papa pass one number friend me na yet to me edi enkomo ene anopay abode ene nimude eso ya friend me ambassador the entertainment commander e wa kanayo television ya abre nyina da wukwada ene yawada abra abo 8 o'clock in the morning e be pem 10 o'clock na yedi akwa wiye be de brew odofo bomodian say abre nyina da onso betumi ahwe na wafra odua na onu so afre ni nua say program no ambassador what they abba odofo me bia homa tum 02069944417 any number me the edi jumano I don't tell obetumi afre me was so obetumi so afre me 0206 994418 two numbers and me the edi juma se here me tia e ka say obetumi afrem se here na yatumi edi enkomo ma me nhya se enkan messages bi emfa emmawa wey I say hi, I am George from Sefi Jos, so I want to ask if multi-universe really exists. Multi-universe, does it exist?
Now can I say multi-universe in the same universe way. We have another universe somewhere. This is your planet. I have another planet. Your galaxy. You want another galaxy.
Okay.
So at I say, it's universe way, you know. The person says, your universe way so can boom one object. Then another universe you so baby and na make an matter. I say, if you have no, I say, I kabum na for me one object. So I say, ye ni pay me ni me woman for me one planet which is Earth. Earth we so and so another planet and so form a solar system.
Okay.
Solar system so form na be a galaxy.
Okay.
Galaxy so can boom na be a universe.
Okay.
So it's also asking say universe and so bar. Is there another universe man so can boom na be multi-universe na that's what he's asking.
Yeah, and so
according to science, you know, they have another way say there's another universe somewhere else.
There's another universe.
Yes, was some calculations here we Professor Hawkins money we my year those
universe here you hunu here. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba so bebre lowa wo TV set no na enkomo de papa wudi maybe akasa free.
Hello.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Me ba cho wudi maybe akasa free.
Our friend Austin Brown and Katafri Sapemai.
Sapemai aya in crying. Okay, openi and ye din komo e dia fa Lucifer planet and Lucifer aya nia yesi wo betwa bonefo aso. Asemben e na wo e de ma yen na do pay.
Ona scientists know the all kind is like so the all kind I also buy this idea because for a couple of years none of so many things are you know say how come that the planet Saturn exists, but according to the intention or what you want to play, no, it's like I beginning to believe the no kind of, but I'm person say.
Yeah.
Apart from a planet, a vectors, no, or say a small situations which is the Saturn, no.
Yeah, okay.
The other planets, no, do people exist on the other planet too? That's what I want to know.
Okay, thank you so much, my brother. Member scientist KOMFA, no edi amount. I say apart from say Venus and I say Saturn, as well she. Other planets, no. Ni put meet na hot. Said yeah, and Mars. Omo discover omo cosmic.
Once a CCR no. Mars na omatimi explore who say nipa betimi akọ bat. E hono mo kwara we need oxygen.
Hold on. Hello.
Yeah, connect me, please.
Good morning.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes. Me bacho wudi, me do akasa free.
Governor. My name is Governor, okay?
Governor, okay.
Yeah, and then I'm calling from Kolebu, the areas of Kolebu Teaching Hospital.
Kolebu in Accra. All right.
Yeah, Accra.
Okay, we are discussing Venus being called Lucifer. And so what we are asking is, who is Lucifer? Does Lucifer exist? Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
I side with what my brother is saying there.
Okay.
You see, honestly, there is no human being called Lucifer on this earth. There is nothing like that in this earth. You see, I always throw an example of, I don't know, sometimes I do say, that I see it as a code of disciplinary ethics that were put there by this, our so-called ancestors, in order to code discipline in us to do right. So therefore, I believe they decided to fix some fixtures in that we might try to, do what is right. You understand, and live a good life. Scaring us like how a father can scare a child. You see this room there. If you do this, this kakai will come and catch you and things. These are the things that when you come to the reality of it, no Lucifer exists. Your own attitude is your Lucifer.
Wow.
Your life is your Lucifer, and you get your judgment here before you go. Judgment Day, example like me, as I say, is there is nothing like Judgment Day or this head. When you die, you face your punishment. That's all. But there is nothing like that thing that Christians do announce that there will be a trumpet and everyone. Those things doesn't exist. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Ono so ade ne dia aba beto so kire say dia KOMFA can no sabe pepe na etie bibi biara eni ba biara ya ye fe no boronsam yi say ye fe no Satan na mo no ye nananom nsem bia wono mo eka to ho say be ya ebe ma wa ye papa na say nananom so omo wa adwene papa. Hello,
good morning.
Good morning. No pani mi ba cho me mo akọ papa udi be you say free.
That's a point. It's a free domain crow.
Doma ahinkro ewo bono esoro ho. We na ye di nkomo Prince and assemble na wo so wo adema yen.
Okay, man, the offer na the menene ya adin fa ba bi so menene ya adin.
Adin ni ba futi.
Okay, Satan bia ni ba bia. Nti na ya kana Bible mo so na otimi to no ma gbofo ma popo ni je. And what you can't born the bazaar is one and I no plan after okay.
Very beautiful question. Prince, a question. And to one and that to money, Mia, Nene the dead, and I see me obeying in Nebacopa, it's me 2 and you bear 10,000 voices. No,
I don't know. An American say, Ninja, let's say, friend to a can answer some money, man. I say, I know my deal. Hold on. Hello. Good morning.
Hello,
good morning.
morning.
Me ba cho udi, be be free.
I'm Kelly from Achimota School.
Kevin from
Achimota.
Okay, Chief. We are talking about the planet Saturn. We're talking about the planet Lucifer. We're talking about the planet Venus. What do you have for us this morning?
Yeah, I'm asking so many galaxies.
Yeah. Okay, you are the one who wrote the galaxy thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, he did explain that's what the scientists are saying, that there might be another universe somewhere, but not too clear as to whether it's true or not. So they are yet to figure out. Yes.
But I don't get it too.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me, please?
Yeah.
Yes. What he was saying is that the scientists are saying, yes, there might be another universe somewhere, but it's not clear to say, yes, there are, this universe formed that, and then we are going to have multiple universes. They are not certain on that. It's not certain yet. So they are still in the search.
Okay, so what makes the light in space?
Come again?
What makes the light in space? The light. What make them?
The light.
Yeah.
As in day and night.
Is it
day and night? The daylight or which one? Oh! I wanted to get this thing clear. You can still call back, Kelvin. You can still call back, and then I will get your question well. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, Openi. Me bacho me mo akọ papa wudi baby akase free.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Me bacho wudi baby akase free.
I am from a father, I'm especially Kwasima Accra.
Kwasiman Accra. Edini biem.
Me busa scientist no or Jesus Christ ne na sia for mo be as a stay am amatra Bible mo no. Eye djum e wo hono mo a uko Israel ni abia bia obokwa ko hu bibi sara.
Okay, opese wo hunu say ye Jesus Christ. Yeah, yeah,
I'm exist. Jesus Christ in the same for no exist ana.
Buy. Yes, buy.
Yes. You see, yes stories and all. Baby.
So over me there to so where we there. Na what ye? Since we is so over me there to so. I the question abaso. Okay, I'm so.
Once I can use who is no man and I say you call religious set with a honor deep. Now me can say yes stories na baby. So I say
me pamcho munum esi no ema me mo kwanchi no na enkofo bi bre.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me bacho wudi me be free.
I'm bacho me ka se Cape Coast o from Salu.
Ogwe yo Salu. Planets. Lucifer.
My friends I am the pass me offer wa pick me call am. Me kaka could be na me de chere mana o chere scientist no.
Okay. Come.
Yankopon wo. Hello.
Hello, bacho mi pa.
Bacho Yankopon ewa. Wa ba yes ya na nka fenza. Ite ya. Na azibia Yankopon boy do waka chere impe de say there say onu Yankopon so obo apple nkukura 100 obo apple nkukura 100 na say impe de say all tro onu Yankopon na won wasi another national impe botri order yon atro na Yankopon na won wada apple ni na wa toma na still kwambo Yankopon na won wada kwambo won tro won yeda ite mepere meka kasa ku bi mebecha abensi o ka tell me oxy abonsam onwo ite Yankopon na kasa wa aba abonsam wo ho ite abonsam owo izi turo na Yankopon so ho na ekwa every religion another every a biara owo bia na the way of prayer Yankopon ekwa Hebrew fa owo na wo the prayer Yankopon da wa say Islam o sun Islam so izina wo the Yankopon ni na so aye Yankopon kore na ala Yankopon o si kuru Allahu ahad Allahu samad na Yankopon no so do ono wa won ato na ya kor onyi ba bibia so yo butu ade no ho ada to Yankopon no wote ya na Yankopon so wa ka abonsam owo yewa abonsam ni no homa ni ilimi wo ho no homa wo ite ya na yewa Yankopon so ni ilimi no homa so wo ho na abonsam ni dmezo bi ndai onu azaba ndo obayi wo impa o ma impa onwi Yankopon no kwan da la abada o mo onwi Yankopon no kwan da ona azo hwe ndo obachi impa no wa yu impa na onu be bia Yankopon wa ka do yin botin na ye wona impa de tinya obeden aboko ite ya na I am the suda wasa muko mpede makache onde hwe womanyin sura Yankopon na Yankopon na obo ni wiasen na onyim reason why obo impa de sei na nkasa so onyim reason why so obo abonsam ada na azibia na abonsam be de oni Yankopon ononyim abonsam onyi tumo Yankopon do Yankopon na owo tumo abonsam do ada into you were abonsam na agent tena man you are abonsam agent wo awon ni edwuma na na so na wo Yankopon so also wo agent so for on your head on your edwuma na ebe impa de senyi so ye mu a ewa you were impa de senyi on ya abonsam on ni edwuma the matter na you were impa de senyi so on Yankopon on ni edwuma nti ma so I am the day kasa american so I am the day me muslim wallahi akwa Islam or chira in you were a Islamic science ewa you are saying science you ma wu bebre na oye finance science oye you know science no there is kasa do was it went to the baby ya onyo boko abonsam jam ewie we papa it's kasa mpela mkache mu ne ma wata ase do omo mpela mkache ande Yankopon ho Yankopon oyakor Yankopa abibia so won wiase bia so Yankopa no da.
Okay.
Aka na Yankopa no so na wa oban ne ti wiase ni wa kire abonsam no kwan. Na wa kire on Yankopa no so no kwan. Na wa ka kire nda hwe ya na azi abonsam na edima mama yinti abonsam. Eno alkada abonsam okay say Adam na ya Hawa okay chon da fruit mom onzi no within a padi incident so when zanche nke Yankopon on yedem na abonsam oyedia Yankopon ka ten there or yombo no adema oya Adam waye sana Yankopon oyedem ima din so na obandama chama tada mel kaso de blia adeba china no yente so ni it's not flow na mazamo na me introduce myself na mazachiro na ya kasa brief na ma wo Yankopon na go so wo de wa abonsam so na gima di ate
mate ebetum afa me personal number no metum mezamma na amrepam yetum yakasa na mom no ni nyina ne de wankada nyame oni ho nyame owo ho na mom no Satan bronsam. Hello. Good morning.
Lady Anthony, the Catholic.
Okay, openi yanko yamonkomo.
Na mpesa Mr. Minion say what kind story be afa Job ho pen na
Job
or the Bible di
papa no yare ye no yes what kind
no on kind story be afa Job our Bible no kind no say Satan no or home pa because
me kai say mere bi Satan ekọ ho say nyame wa hu say Job o je ni papa because of mama ne nyoma nyina ntia wo pa je ne nyoma no every nse na hwe say obekọ so ado wana me nya ko say okay wo de me de hye wo nsa ne mom ne kra de e fa wo nsa nka me nim say sa Job na sem na wo kan here. Hello Kafra ye sana we wie na just say ensem de amafo bi papa. Okay wait I say can we find human in the space living there yeah Chris and a different Techiman Chris all the way from Techiman and I say in our traditional belief there is no Lucifer. Hello.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam openi me bacha pom ti say na no pay.
Na domboko.
Bacha udin be ka say free.
But me free choco.
Okay. Bacha bitio ba.
Where them pachom papa no.
Yeah.
Well, you're right. In some ways.
Okay.
Say you obiani ni didie.
Okay.
And so no didie trend say
yeah.
Satan anyhow. Mimi Kristo ni.
Okay.
Mimi did say Satan wo na Satan ene hye adibonyefo den so omunya bone na Nyankopon so hye na maden so omunya papa understand so say it's like me normally some for say I don't argue with them much.
Okay.
Because normally Thomas Siatra so we are praying for this type of people to know that the devil exists. So that so say bibi mba mu say onye bibi bonia on kan say Satan so ye papa dia on kan say Nyankopon na se no. I don't want to talk much. The more you talk, the more mistakes you make. So we do pray for this type of people, for them to know that Satan exists.
What is your name? Your friend was saying. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. I say there is one God, but human beings are Lucifer. And I say if these white people don't bring this Bible or religious, maybe I bet was hello.
Hello.
Openi, good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I should be free.
Medin the Daniel. Mikasa free Mamprobi
and crying. And then you didn't come out and you found Lucifer and say on
That's right. That's right. Yeah, I've listened to this conversation very well.
Okay.
And then I think I know where the problem is coming from.
All right.
To all the viewers, I agree them, but I know where this problem is coming from. You know, the problem is coming from our way of doctrine. You see, I believe in science because it's research.
Okay.
They did the work by themselves, and they were able to investigate to come out with a particular conclusion.
Okay.
Now, all those, excuse me to say, to the caller that just called, talking about GD and faith.
Yeah.
They happen to believe that. He happened to believe what he's believing because that is what he was taught.
Okay.
If when he was taught, he was trained. Okay. That's what we are calling table today. If his parents and his religion has been calling it a book, what we call table today, he will call it a book and he will believe it's a book. And he will argue on it. But the question here to the intelligence is that what you yourself, what have you researched to find? Exactly. Your father told you this paper, when you burn it, it will turn into ashes and flames. Have you burnt it yourself? Have you burnt it? And those that are burning the paper, seeing that the papers are not turning into ashes and flames, but they are turning into rubbish. You are arguing with them, believing in faith. Who knows? Forgive me if maybe your father was not in a very good condition before coming out with these conclusions. So let's follow those that are investigating and go by their way. That's all. Not you. You were just told. Have you investigated? Have you found anything? Have you done any research?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Also, my brother, not just saying, yeah, what can you now say? I would share and I will argue, but why your research be who said, yeah, papa, you okay? And let me take one last caller, or let me just two last calls. Now, Memfa messages, no, and Fantuaso. And so, let me continue from here. I say, if these white people don't bring this Bible or religion, why all these names in the Bible are white people names? And I say, I support the man over there. Let's just say, or say what or support KOMFA, or say, if the devil exists, why should a human being think twice, bad and good? Hello? Hello? Okay, okay, hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Baby, I free.
Bernard, Mr.
Odoko, Ben. And then you didn't come for Lucifer, Jose, or Jose Wonipo, Ben, I said, Ben, I would my pay.
But the person can say, speak now.
Hello.
Hello.
Ben, Bishop.
I think I know as in the form of all religions. No, it's not exception. It's all religions. Almost Satan back, but Satan is a reference to the presence of negative force.
Okay.
Okay. There was some negative force. Your friend Arcan force. Who read mythology? They talk something about Arcan. And I'm saying this KOMFA say, so can hexagonal clouds now. It is so a Bermuda Triangle. Okay, the explanation of 666 now.
Yeah.
The relating to Bermuda Triangle no, I can't explain it because it was Satan looking at friend 666. It was Bermuda Triangle, so I have a friend is saying.
Your friend is saying, and you see a very beautiful question. Very, very beautiful question. And until and I'm a mark, I said, was so brave, never Saudi, and as I say, I didn't any back of foot, women, but Unia, what is that question? A very beautiful question. I'm repem, Mama KOMFA, a year, no, Mammy Missa, say, call my idiot. Or say, I didn't, and some angles now, a war, Satan, let's so no, I am 66, no. A being so other planets, no so. And also, you better say,
with having that triangle, no, baby, I hold on almost plenty in informal. We will talk about that one.
Voice from Kaka. We'll talk about that.
Yeah, hold on, I say, baby, almost plain intimate faster
areas, no,
yeah, that area, I'm mark you on.
Wow. Let me take a last caller, but before that, my main kind messages. I'll say, good morning, Ambassador. What I can say is anything, of the, okay, hello, last caller.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I can free.
But your friend is Shinoid because if you're Achimota
and crying. Maybe I try to Lucifer Hong Kong. They na what my
me pacho the American say the papa ne kano.
Yeah.
We have encophobia, they are scientists, and they have a group called the Church of Scientology. If you say unknown, does he hear the word the Church of Scientology before? Because this Church of Scientology, I am Kofua. Yeah, this Church of Scientology, I am encophobia. They are almost said in their mind about science. They are polluting the minds of people. Say, help me, you hope. Na your friends and hell in Uho, and now Satan Uho. Satan in my personal encounter. I am telling you, I'm not talking about physical aspect, but we are talking about the spiritual aspect. Satan exists.
Okay.
When we're talking about spiritual aspect, Satan exists. And this set of Scientology group and Scientology, you know, what they decide, if it's not the Church of Scientology, not unsteady the founder of the Church of Scientology. Not only said what they are in Crawford. Almost steady Nema, Omdi and Nema Eputu Kofag say there's no heaven, there's nothing like hell, and there's nothing like Lucifer. Lucifer exists. When I'm talking about spiritual aspect, Lucifer exists. But the science for said will be kind, almost steady idea, and I don't know more. But about woman from one. Yeah, you will be one. We know, and we have an encounter with them, him before. And I asked about Christian. It said Satan exists, but we're not talking about scientists. Besides that, all these planets now no kind. Why they create all these planets?
All these planets.
The Church of Scientology for them. If the Mars, Jupiter, we are asked them say, why they create all these kind of planets? You know. Google and go and search the Church of Scientology. You begin to know all the activities.
Okay, Wajiatum said
you know all their activities. They are probably something. So we are almost say the Christ kingdom. If you know what you believe, you should just take what you believe, and you also will take what we believe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anunti, and I'm saying Nyansa, and I've been any back for Tim Yancha, you say, and I dear film. I'm so delighted this morning because yes, dear Papa Paneguzwara is dear. I say good morning, Ambassador. What I can say is any of the teachings is very important because any of the teachings helps some people on this earth. Aziz Banapao Odebaya Asamainka say KOMFA is doing good, Papa. I just say KOMFA, Waboy, Aziz. Oh, shit. And until my last caller, and I made wait, I say, I am Nasir Muhammad from Amasamai. I'm not sure about what he was saying because all our messages from Adam to Muhammad, and then that is about 12,000. Is it 12 million? 1 million and then 24,000 in number, and then were very scientists but never spoke about the existence of Satan but Lucifer. Let's just say okay, Satan no planet Satan no minimum one they will say a Satan planet na woka, and as a Satan Lucifer 7 na woka, and so it's also a name of someone else who tried to deny both Quran and then the Bible. I say Satan and now say Lucifer no or no obia, and Lucifer no obia would deny. I say does scientists believe that existence of messengers mujidi say asma for by mujidi most ajidi no
say messengers prophets money
no.
And I make and say when we want to dive into religion yes
okay
okay
oh dear and non to know the once and the time is already gone. Okay, wait, I say Kofi in tow Satan exists, but it is the bad side of mankind. As a Satan in other nipa usu bonibia woman say okay wait my kind what the at the amount that We I say chairman. I am watching you live from Medina. I say Satan is not there, oh, bro. Now, we every wasti one. Medina and I wasti ebutu and I wadene die aba ya makenkan e de amano wasti mete won kan che papa mamente won kan na friends of ambassador mu group no nia ekoso eye kama papa yenhwe na yetumi enidi enkomo. All right, mama hwe na memfa ba kom yenu bi na enfan sorry so I say Lucifer does not exist, but the is it perception of Satan is all religion, and then it's just the reference for the force of is it negativity? Yes, negativity. And what they are about to say, yeah, religion. No, I say hello. I am DJ Isis inside Doma Ahikro Bono region. And the I say this man. So let me ask him. If there is no Satan, do we have heaven and God? Maybe say, Emma, on this is what actually more at my yeah. I say, may I ask where man, in fact, I this, I believe say I this, right? Where this man, I believe so. I say where does me when we for anything, but I person who say I even free buy from okay. And I say I am Junior from Atonsu, and now whatever yeah, my kind man. The time is fast away. Yeah, walk up. Out of four, my main phone see. Now maybe we see no. My main KOMFA. Well, last words. Sorry.
My last words I'm the judge here for and say omo argue say obon sam ho no Genesis I can point blank say Nyankopon bo nipa no na boni ni ho no mo ana obon sam say serpent e ko da omo ama boni bai nti general rule and say Yesu ba ebewu ebepepa sa boni na it means say kata ma Yesu bewu pepa boni nka say ka nipa ye boni biem since da Yesu ewu ye no, because that is the general rule. So ni pa bone na Yesu be wu abe ha be wa agianka apepa sa bone no into so be pepa sa bone na Adam ni we mu ye na it means nka tama Yesu wu ye to now en saka bone ya koso biem and what say say bone bi o ho biem go Yesu be pepa sa bone na ye den afiri ho no mo so ati ase ana another school of thought so ka che say am pass ka bonsan bi wo ho no ma so I am on some titi nipa. I didn't know Yankopon inkum some no kuni ba mu na bonu gusu e koso. Na make an what as here. Me se bonsam bia ni ho no mo. Nipa da sani yankasa Yesu ene ya adwen e ma wo bonsam nkan chese kofo be yire ko wi obi ade onka ena me se Bible mu ena me ka se obi ntu quotation ba ko e chese bonsam ko wi obi ade because leadership by example.
Yes.
So bonsam Bible mba bi kire se obonsam akowi obi ade akofo obi yire wakwa yesi wana wa yesi ya ana ebetimi achesa ampa so obi kodi ekoyesa abone na chese sanipa na eden
o shefi obonsam
yes as the Bible mba bi enu ma chese obonsam akofo obi yire wakowi obi ade waku obi wow na make an what ase that is it intino obonsam bi enu no ni pa so na ko repu bi na eche odi ko hyense o ma ya wa na wa ya wa ade anya bonsam na share
otwesikan ya anya bonsam
yes otwesikan koku obi a wa yes
otutu anya
bonsam ya wa dwen na wo de esa ade no entini na wa san fi ho ana wo ye boni a sana obi kan obenya punishment wa sa wanya punishment a o ma benya punishment no simple
also simple enti bronsam kwaku bronsam Satan Lucifer does not exist. That I say oni be biara ye yenkasa Yesu ene ye ban ene ma yetimi ka say bronsam as na say asemasi ne wo ye die wo ye anyamra ho ensem orafo ambassador ene edino na program we ye frɛ no abode ene nimude me de bra wukuada ene jawada anopa biara abra abo 8 o'clock e ko pem say non do 10 o'clock e be bo na ya sore so orafo tie me sore so mapon me kwa no na mmom no ansa na mekro no me nwie madwuma yo me nwie mesan ma babiem nyame ya adoma na nwumere yi na me pese wonya ahoden tena se na wutumi hwe entertainment airbus 5 o'clock enti no na me ma wadwo fa bo ho ban Send a baby programs are being in our brain when you budget now what to me ashebi. And so let me give you a very good medicine, local medicine, dudopa, yeah, nanano mansaro, all the way from Makanayo, Ebakaneke. Frame one number C 0247 109596. Let us use 0247 109597. The same number 0247 109598. Wait, any numbers are over for Akana yo help back for one number so now one moon ropa panina Akana yo covites, Akana yo woma vites, and Akana yo a little cool mixture. Nina when sa ever to me can be in no way so the powder or hormone over to me a fret tea and I'll be fracuco, send your penny be not one nom and brand call the time is gone and you know my mem must pa now yes sorry number only friend numbers no one. When sa ebeka akana yo enro bia bia o hye empo se wo outside Ghana na se wo pe akana yo enro a watch below your screen no obehunu say foreign numbers ni nyinara ewo below the TV set I don't know obetumi afa bia wo hye bia obetumi afa sa numbers no bia wo no wo dia ewom na wafa Germany, UK, US, Togo, Benin and all over the world bia wo hye bia you get akana yo herbal product baby now into me wow. Let me go forward and then I tell you to travel. But I can't say to quite a crap. Travel. And then before you travel, you need only one number 0503 80 90 31. That is my personal number. Yeah, I'm going to me to quite every of my Ghana move. Travel from Ghana to quite free Ghana. Come my Biaraso. Canada, Germany, UK, US of A, Dubai, Turkey, maybe yeah, you do call so yes, say I come over to my why you won't pay now, whoop passport, and birth certificate, or the four over to me from a personal number 0503 80 90 31. Wait a number. I bring another equame, media juma, and maybe my friend, Ubenya. From here 0503 80 90 31. In fact, and many aje program na ye program na ye shit. And until maybe a time kakra. Your friend ambassador, the entertainment commander, and then 5 p.m. I will be back again with the entertainment bars. Again, come on, and I be here and then you may. Yes, yeah, and I will be, Mamma, na major way. A jabba every year. Or say don't mind them. Ninyara ene say e wi ase ni a wo beye biara ni bada sani wo beka e ho asem. Nansi so Adam nana bone ne ye na tie bone ne ye na da bone one ye nsore. Nanso so kontrol kakra e makwaku buru nsam. Se wo ho se woni ho e ma ne kontrol wo. Ma papa yo ennoso enchen wo bone nyame ya adom ye ne a. Ye be sen ye hia. Bye bye.